Welcome to Math 117 Online, Mathematical Problem Solving. This is Caitlin Worth. I'm your instructor for the class. This video is just meant to walk you through the two websites that we'll be using to access the course. So this is not super in-depth. You're going to do more in-depth things in the orientation part of the course, which I will point out. But I do want to give you just a brief overview. So first, I'm going to take you to Moodle. So you access Moodle by going to the GCC homepage, which is where we are right now. You click on this blue login button in the upper right and choose Moodle. Now when the login screen comes up, it's going to prompt you for a login and a password. That's the same login and password as your email. So the first part of your email before the @ thing, that is your username, and then your password is the same password that you use for your email. There we go. Okay, so once you're logged into Moodle, under Fall 2016, you'll see a list of the courses that you're taking. I'm going to click on 117.4, Mathematical Problem Solving. That's our class. All right, so once you've logged in, you'll see a welcome at the top, a little summary of how to use this Moodle site. You find everything posted here. If you scroll this window down a bit, you notice that each week of the course has a box, and the assignments for each week are posted there as a week number to-do list. So let's scroll down a bit. Okay, so here's a box that says Week 1 Orientation, September 5th to September 11th. So it says to get started, click on the to-do list, which there's a link here and it's down here. Check off each item as you complete it. So let's see what the to-do list looks like. Just a list of things to do this week, and you can check these boxes as you go. Okay, it says, in order to complete this week's to-do list, you'll need to access the syllabus and other documents and Mymathlab. These are direct links to those two places, but they also live up here. So here's the folder, syllabus and other documents, and here's a link to Mymathlab. And I'll take you to Mymathlab in a few minutes and show you how that works. All right, then it says any additional links and files that you need to complete the to-do list are posted immediately below the to-do list. So underneath Week 1 to-do list, there is watch the course intro video. So that's what you're doing right now. Then there's a discussion and an orientation project and a button to submit that project. And pretty much each week looks the same. Click on the to-do list, check off each item as you complete it. Links to things that you'll need to access as you're working through the to-do list, and any other links right below it. So course lecture videos and packet 1, those are also things that live up here in this main course block. So course lecture videos, that takes you to a YouTube playlist. It has every lecture for the semester here, and the to-do list in Moodle is what tells you what videos to watch. And then there are packets that you can use to take notes as you watch the videos. They contain notes for, they're segmented by test. And if you would like me to print you a copy of any of these, you can just send me an email and I'll get it printed for you, because I know it's a lot of paper. All right, then there's a general help forum. Anytime you have questions, you can post there. Answer each other's questions if you can, but I'll also be in there answering questions. And then anytime you have an assignment, say the orientation project, for example, all assignments I post in the week that they are to be done as PDF files. But if you want a Word document, you can go get it in this folder. So that pretty much covers how Moodle works. Keep in mind that your first test is coming up in week 6, October 10th to the 16th. And you'll read all about the policies for testing, etc. in the syllabus, which is part of your orientation assignments. Okay, so as you work through this orientation week, you'll learn all of the things that I expect of you in terms of when things are due and what format to submit them in, stuff like that. All right, so let's take you to Mymathlab for a brief overview there. It's taking a long time to open. Here. All right, while that's opening, I'm just going to take you back to Moodle for a second. I think I've lost my internet connection. All right, it's back. It's back. There we go. And get this loading. Okay, so to get you started in Mymathlab, there is, as part of your orientation, in the syllabus and other documents folder, one of the things in there is a paper, a file, that shows you how to register in Mymathlab. All right, I'm just going to sign into Mymathlab while we're waiting for that to come out. Okay, so once you're signed into Mymathlab, there'll be a list of courses that you are taking through Mymathlab. It'll probably just be the one class, Math 117, Mathematical Problem Solving Online, Fall 2016. So you click that, and this is the Mymathlab course. So there are two buttons in this menu on the left. There are two main buttons that you're going to use. I know there's a lot here, so it looks overwhelming, but there's really only two that are really important. Homework, you click that, and all the assignments for the entire semester are up here posted already, and the due dates are right next to them on the left. So you can use this to get your homework done, and you are free to work ahead. So all the lectures are posted already. You can read ahead in the book, and that's what I'm going to show you next. How to access the textbook through Mymathlab. You click on Multimedia Library. Let's say that we're working on Chapter 1, Section 1.3. Okay. I'm going to suggest you look at the section Video Lectures and the Multimedia Textbook. So this is just the textbook. And then there are video lectures that go with each section as well. So when you click search, you find there's a textbook and there's a video lecture. So that you click this to open the textbook and read it on your screen. Click this to watch a video about section 1.3. You can do one and or the other to help familiarize yourself with the concepts of that section. So those are the two main things: homework, multimedia library. Gradebook in Mymathlab is just for homework. It will just give you your homework score for the semester. When you want your grade for the course, you go back into Moodle, click grades, and you'll be able to find your grades there. Overall for the course, as you take tests, they'll be posted there, things like that. All right, so that just about does it for our intro video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, send me an email, or post in the General Help Forum. Good luck this semester, and we will definitely be in touch.